to subscribe. I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No good dog, no good dog. I love some, I love go inside Italy city. No good dog, no good dog. I love some, I love go. Say Rachel style. On YouTube, make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. So watch your waiting for Rachel style. So Rachel style, Rachel style. You know what's up? You get to style, you know. Rachel style, Rachel style. Rachel style, yeah, Rachel style, you got her love.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachel style, yeah, na.
Chebe powder is very amazing when it comes to hair growth. Okay, Chebe powder, it helps to reduce breakage, it helps to reduce shedding. In fact, it also promotes the health of the hair. It encourages hair growth. It is very, very amazing.
So what you waiting for? So waiting you there, wait to subscribe. I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No good dog, no good dog. I love some, I love go inside Italy city. No good dog, no good dog. I love some, I love go. Say Rachel style. On YouTube, make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. So watch your waiting for Rachel style. So Rachel style, Rachel style. You know what's up? You get to style, you know. Rachel style, Rachel style.
Chebe is very amazing. It helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to lock and seal moisture in the hair and scalp. It improves dry and fragile hair, and it helps to promote hair growth. It stops breakage. It strengthens the hair. It helps the hair to grow without breaking. So Chebe is very amazing when you use it to make oil, use it as your hair growth spray, hair growth oil and all that. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Help me to share. Yeah, keep on watching.
Rachel style, yeah, Rachel style, you got your love.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachel style, yeah, na na Rachel style, are you in for? When you are you with some say Rachel style, hold on. Subscribe. I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No go down, I lost no, I look up inside Italy city. No go down, I lost no, I look up. Say Rachel style. You to make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. Say what you waiting for. Rachel style. Rachel style, you know what's up. You get the style.